Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing part 7 of November 2023 STL Patreon for D&D, Warhammer, proxies, 3D prints in general, figures as well. If you guys do enjoy it, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our link down below and our Patreon Discord as well. We're doing Clay of Cyanide. I don't think we have anything for November for Clay of Cyanide yet. They usually post stuff really late. I'm guessing this is going to be our future for November. So we're doing the Titans, probably the Olympian Titans for it. My Mini Monster will be next. We have Dead, Gone, Expired, Unalive. So undead. So a lot of freaking undead. So that's December loyalty reward. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, Dead, Gone, explained. So we have a tornado of the undead, like they did the Sharknado. We have, let's see here. That looks like Basilisk. This is very creepy. We have Skeletal Minotaur and Centaur as well. So that's very interesting. So, freaking undead. This is going to be really fun if you want to do the lot of undead stuff for your game. This is probably going to be very interesting to kind of feel like more like Dark Souls style thing. Oh god, look at their belly. Wow. Souls, two-headed minotaurs. Yeah, and you have a soul. I want to see more. Yeah, these look very interesting. Try to figure out. It's like a high. It looks like a mid-level style adventure. I'm thinking about with these things, but I gotta start with level one stuff. I don't think none of my level one characters are going to be players will be able to. Will hate me if I put these things on the board right now. But holy shit, look at that. Okay. Next one is Printed Obsession. Let's see what we have. We have the Witch, Undead with the Sign, Fox. Let's see more in detail. We got the Death's Daughter, Discus Ori. So it's like an actual map. I have a Druidess Onion, Grandmother Weatherin. I'm just gonna let's go do a Granny Krog, the old hero. Scratch the dog, the bookkeeper, the Cat King, the first minister, Washgale the mage, Z adventuring, zombie adventuring. Okay. Next one is Twin Goddess miniatures. We do. Let's see. We got November. So we got some good ones. So we have a goblin adventurer, probably a ranger. Looking at our class. The mushroom hat. We have looks like a thiefling on top of skulls. Some type of a sorcerer. Can't really tell out the race. We have uh shit, forgot his, not Gray Skull. Skeletor. There's your sexy Skeletor right there. We have a Necromancer. We have a Goblin Necromancer. It's cool. Epic. Epic is really good. If you guys don't know, so you spend $10, you get you get about like a 100, 1 to 200 of miniatures. Letting you know, it's a lot. Might not be 100, but I'm probably over exaggerating. But it's a lot of miniatures. You're gonna have to probably pre-support yourself with these because for some reason their support don't really work that well. But as you can see, you got monsters. They do a lot of the monster manual ones. They really help you actually have a ship, graveyard. It looks like trolls, cats, Hulk, Hulkers, necromancer, shaman. I think that's a lizardman. Mimics. They do a lot for $10. They have that, and you have the welcome pack and the other stuff as well. It's a lot of stuff. Um, RN Studio we have for today is Golem. These are from Monster Hunter. Barrett from 7. Don't know what these three are from. We have Boo. Guy from Frank. Gusa. These two from Demon Slayers. And we have Optimus Prime, Bumblebee, and other two I don't know the names of. But yeah, for $10, pretty good. Lord of the Print. We have. Let's see what we have for Lord of Print. November. Okay, so we have looks like the Owl and the Rat. So we have the. If you read the book, the Armored Owl and then the Night Rat. The Night Owl and the Rat. It used to be a book, a children's book back in the day. They do a lot of the mirrors. This is part 2, I believe, of it. Hedgehog. This would be really good to have. Going to a world and you have a mouse owl, like bigger than you and everything else for it. So it is pretty cute what they're doing at the house. This would be pretty much for a diorama piece, but if you guys want to do an actual like kind of has to be small, but I don't know how you would actually scale it in 28 millimeters. I'm transitioning from 28 to 32 because 32 millimeters are a lot easier to paint than a 28. 28 is a lot thinner and skinnier, and I like 32 millimeter scale for my game. But yeah, this is pretty good for it. The Tale of Archduke Mousen, Tome 2. Unless you have any more that we can look through. I haven't really looked that far in. Oh, not that. That's for Magic the Gathering. That's for Etsy, Amazon, channel. I think this is it, guys. I think we basically looked at everything we have for this month. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. I hope, and see you guys next time. I think for the following week, for Tuesday and Thursday, we'll probably put up a short, more shorts than usual. But other than that, hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.